It's just after 4, and looking around out here, it should be like torrential downpour right now, but there's not a drop. And I just drove through all that just a couple minutes ago, and not a single drop. And it's baffling to me how it's cloudy like this and there's no rain. I mean, these are definitely rain clouds, being from Washington, and there's no rain coming. And it's probably the result of the chemtrails that they do an awful lot of down here, drying out the air and taking the moisture out or something. This is crazy.